Let's see what happens. Let's go.
Oh, you're taking from behind?
Yeah, let's go. Jeez.
Come on, Gabe. Yeah. Go see the present.
Come on, Gabe. This way. Gabe. Gabe.
Come on, Gabe. Back dogs. Come on.
Come on, Ben. Gabe, hurry. Go, go, go.
Back.
Go. Just go. Gabe, 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 Gabe. Come on. Gabe, come on.
Back. 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 Back.
Emma. You
Back.
see it?
Daddy.
See your present
You
then?
see it?
No.
Out, Gabe. Come on, outside.
Look around some more. You want to go play on it? It's your playground. It's a playground
Gabe.
for you in your yard.
Come on, Gabe.
You can swing it and you can slide.
What do you think, Gabe?
What is it?
What are these for?
For swinging on.
But why do we hate them?
We need to probably bring them up a little bit. Ooh, it's a swing. Do you want to swing?
Or you be a little bit lower?
Woohoo! There you go.
Monkey Ben.
Oh, that.
A rock wall. Get on a swing. Hold on to the chain.
All right, Ben, go down the slide.
What's that, Daddy?
Hold on, we're sliding. Whee! What do you think? Oh, go, Gabe, go!
Do you want to get down? Get down?
You want to go down the slide? Want to slide? Can you climb that?
Oh, boy. Hold on to here.
Yep, that's fine. You can hold there too.
All right, let's try this again. All right, put your feet there. Now pick up one foot. Pick up one foot. Pick up this foot.
It is my playground.
Well, it's for both of you.
Yeah, for you and Gabe. It's from Grandmommy and Grandpa.
Pick up this foot.
Look over here. Hey, look. Can you say thank you to Grandmommy and Grandpa? Turn around.
Thank you, Grandmommy and Grandpa.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
There you go, Gabe.
Uh-oh, let's see what the Gabe is doing.
Dee.
Woo-hoo!
Wanna slide? Very good. Scoot on your bum.
Whee! Oh, yeah! Oh.
Up you get. Just jump.
Doggy!
This is the last slide and then we are going to get stuck.
Is it too cold?
Yes.
Hey, Gabe, can you say thank you?
Yeah.
Mwah.
Look at me. You say Grandmommy?
No.
Good job.
No.
All right, we'll play more tomorrow when it's warmer. Oh,
Dunk.
and we'll get more of these vines up. Oh,
Say bye, Ben.
fall right into that.
Ben, say bye.
Like